Last season on Marketers Got Talent.
We are launching our Agentic Video Editor. We thought we'd spice things up a bit and have a video editing competition.
3 marketers went head-to-head using Goldcast's brand new Agentic Video Editor.
It's adding zoom effects, some text callouts.
There's just so many options in this awesome editor.
I have one more graphic that I need to get done, and I will be done pretty quick.
But what did the judges think?
That was epic.
There was no lull, there's no dead space.
I love that little confetti effect. I thought your captions were nice and clean and clear. Love the zoom ins, love the music.
It really flowed.
I think we all crown you Hans Zimmer of B2B video now.
But there could only be one winner.
Audience, it is now your turn to decide who won. Our winner of today's Marketers Got Talent is Emily Knippa.
I'm really shocked.
Today's been all about shocks, and that's what we're all about here. The Agentic Video Editor, what you saw today, what our contestants were able to do in just a matter of a few minutes using the editor. Imagine what you could do in 20 minutes, 30 minutes, even longer.
Marketers Got Talent. Coming to you live from Goldcast.io.